Hello, today I'm going to show you how does Microsoft Project work with fixed duration task type when you have assigned already resource, when some part of task is done, and then when you assign additional resource. And then I will step in one problem which my blog reader has. So, first of all, I created task for 4 days. In resource sheet, I have two resources, John and Mary, 100%. And I will first go to the task and I will say, okay, this task is fixed work. Okay, everything is set. Now I will put here, okay, work, actual work, and remaining work. Okay, here, remaining work. So I will assign John first. And you can see that since this is 32 hours, 4 days duration, John is supposed to work 8 hours per day, which means 32 hours in total. Let's switch to task usage, and let's do the same thing here with actual work. So work is here, let's say actual work, and let's say remaining work here. Now, if I say that, for example, John is finished his task 25%, the task is finished 25%, you will see, if I go here to actual work as well, that John finished his work on Monday. And that's good. Now, let me assign Mary to that same task in this situation. What will I have? Okay, let's go to view here. And let's go to details. I will get task form and let me choose work. Okay, I'm going to assign Mary here. What will I have if I click on OK? So you will see that Mary is going to work 12 hours and John 12 hours as well. So let me explain this situation. First of all, I had a task which is 4 days long, which is 32 hours effort, and all those effort is assigned to John. Since this task is 25% done, it means that 8 hours are done, and the remaining work is 24 hours. Now, if I assign Mary to that task, you will see that 32 hours of total work are not going to be split among John and Mary. No, when you add additional resource to a fixed work type, a task type, then remaining work will be split. And since John and Mary are going to work 100%, when I assign Mary, those 24 hours which belongs to John will split equally among John and Mary. So John has to work 12 hours and Mary has to work 12 hours. Okay, that's it. So you can see that John is supposed to work on Monday 8 hours, which is okay, he did his job. The remaining work is 12 hours to John, 12 hours to Mary. Since both of them are working 100%, they are going to work 8 hours at Tuesday, which is 16 hours in total, and the remaining part of work is 8 hours. So, let me explain that. The total amount of work was 32 hours. Okay, 8 hours are done. So, the remaining is 24 hours. Now we have 24 hours to split among John and Mary from Tuesday in the future. So in Tuesday, both of them are going to work 8 hours per day, and that is in total 16 hours. 8 hours John, 8 hours Mary, and the remaining work is 24 minus 16 is 8 hours. It means that John and Mary are going to work 4 hours at Wednesday. And the total duration is 2.5 days, which makes sense. First Monday, the whole Tuesday, and half of Wednesday. Now, that is how Microsoft Project works. Now, let me show you what was done by one of my blog reader in my ex-blog, and now vlog reader or listener, who wants to achieve something similar, but not in a proper way. Let me show you that. So let me switch here down in a schedule. What my blog reader wanted is to assign Mary and to say Mary should be finished at Wednesday. Okay. So he will put not 23rd of Thursday, but Wednesday, which is 22nd. And when we hit OK, you will see what I will get. I will get here that John is supposed to work 32 hours for 4 days, and Mary is going to work 12 hours per day to fulfill 24 hours. Why is that? So let me go back. I want Mary to take a part of John's work, and John's work is 24 hours remaining work, but to be finished on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday is 22nd. Now listen, it was first that John was supposed to work 32 hours. Okay, and those 32 hours are here. When I assign to fixed work Mary with schedule finished, it means that Mary should start on Tuesday. And why is that? Because Monday is done. Why is Monday done? Monday is done because I marked this task as 25% completed. It means that John finished the work which was supposed to do on Monday. Now we have Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for John, 8 hours. Now we assign Mary, and we said that Mary should be finished on Wednesday, 22nd. So Mary should work on Tuesday and Wednesday. And what was expected? It was expected that those 24 hours are going to split between John and Mary, which will not happen if you put here schedule start and schedule finish or schedule finish. It was said that Mary, instead of what was expected, Mary is going to work 24 hours. So those 24 hours which were remaining work for John is added to Mary. So the remaining hours is 48 hours here, no matter that the task is marked as fixed work when you choose schedule finish here in this part of the screen. And what my blog reader expected, my blog reader expected that John and Mary are going to split those 24 hours, which was supposed to be on John, to work, okay, 8 hours John and Mary at Tuesday, okay, which is 16, and then 4 hours on Wednesday. But you cannot get it here in this way. When you put in here, in schedule, schedule start, schedule finished, or just schedule finish, it means that work will be added to Mary, to additional resource, in my case, Mary, no matter if the task is fixed work. So instead of doing that, to avoid that, You should not use this screen, which is schedule. You should use work screen and add Mary. Okay. And if you add Mary, you will get exactly that Mary is going to start on Tuesday and finish on Wednesday. Let me switch back here to schedule. You will see Mary is going to start on Tuesday and she will be finished on Wednesday. But if I put those values here, I will not get this one. I will get that Mary is going to work 24-hour additional work. Maybe it is confusing, but if you look once again in this video, you will see that that is how Microsoft Project works. It is how it is. Be careful when you use that, and hope I explained it to you, and see you very soon. Thank you very much. Bye.